Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, each one of you out there. Hope you guys are having fun and doing great things. So guys, I'm back with another interesting video called Quilled Butterfly, and guys, I have included all the important steps of making a quilling butterfly in this video. So hope you guys will figure out something new and will enjoy watching this video. So guys, without talking too much, let's get into today's video. So firstly, I'll show you how to make wing for a butterfly. So firstly, I'm taking here red colored 2 strips. It's 3 mm strip and I'm joining it together. Now I'm taking my bottle cap and wrapping the strip around it, and just we have to make a ring. Wrap it till the end of the strip and secure the ends using glue. Now apply glue all over the ring and let it dry for some time. Now I am taking a piece of paper and folding my ring for giving it a wing shape. Pasting my ring on the piece of paper using glue. And now I'll show you how to make a quilling scroll. For that I'm taking here a strip. It's 3 mm strip and I am just rolling it. Leave some gap and roll it again. You have to do the process till the end of the strip. So I have created 4 to 5 more. And now I'm applying some glue in the wing. We have to fill the wing with these scrolls. Paste it one by one. Don't leave empty space in this wing. Make sure that you fill it properly. And yes, here we go. And now we make the body of the butterfly. We call it thorax as well. For that I am here taking one black strip. Make a tight coil, secure the ends, and take a pencil or your quilling cloth. Push this tight coil inside and make a tapered roll. And guys, if you don't know how to make these basic shapes of quilling, so please go and check my video out in my channel. And now we have to fill this tapered roll with the glue and spread it all over the tapered roll. So yes, we are done. I have created one more. Now we have to join them using glue. Here you can use fabric glue as well. It works well. And guys, I have created 2 small wings and 2 big wings. Now we are going to assemble our butterfly. Paste the big wing and the small wing together, like in this shape I am doing in the video. I have created same, and now attach the body with the wings. And guys, for giving it a 3D shape, I'm taking here my empty glue stick bottles and just keeping it under the butterfly. Now I'll show you how to make the antenna. For that I'm taking here one black strip, cutting into half and make the scroll from the both of the sides. And attach it with the butterfly. Let it dry for some time. So after completing the process, it will look like this. So tell me in the comment section guys, how's it? So guys, that's for today's video. I think hopefully that I made it interesting for you and you found this video really helpful. And guys, if you want me to make the second part of this video or you want to learn different types of quilled butterflies, so tell me in the comment section so that I can come up with the second part of this video. And guys, if you like watching this video, so don't forget to share this video with your friends, family and your loved ones, and give this video a really big fatty thumbs up. And friends, if you like watching art and craft and quilling related videos, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you'll get notified very soon. And guys, I'll assure you that we will be learning cool stuff together. And guys, if you have any suggestion or any feedback for me, so please tell me in the comment section. Yeah, that's for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Until you take care, keep learning. Bye bye.